Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove reflections from photos on Samsung Galaxy A56. Let's begin! First, you want to go inside your photo that you want to remove the reflections from. As you can see here, I've taken a photo of iPhone 12 just a moment ago. And in order to remove the reflections, we want to go not into the AI here, because AI will not always recommend the first option. As you can see here, it recommends me the object eraser and erase shadows. Instead, we want to go into the pencil icon and go to the most right option, these four dots here. And here we have a bunch of technically random features, but we want to go inside our object eraser. And as you can see here, we have two buttons. We have ability to erase shadows and erase the reflections. So all we need to do is hit erase reflections. And as you can see, the reflections has been successfully erased. Now we simply hit done. And I'm going to not hit the save, but instead I'm going to hit the three dots and save the copy of it. So now we can have a nice look at the original and the one with removed reflections. Now, for me personally, I'm pretty disappointed with this option. Like for something as powerful as AI, I thought, hey, maybe it will automatically detect that I have part of the wall that is reflected in my screen, and I thought it would take rid of that and not the little light on this thing here, which is pretty disappointing. One could argue, hey, can't you like erase it using the object eraser? And it would make sense, I agree. However, whenever we try to circle around using magnetic lasso, the thing that we want to remove, so for me it will be the reflections and not the phone, the magnetic lasso will automatically try to remove the phone, which works pretty good, I guess, though as you can see it's far from perfect. And we can go back and we can try to turn off the magnetic lasso. So let's try to lasso only our reflections here. Let's see how it will look. And it looks pretty good. As you can see, it's barely has, okay, there's a little reflection here. And I'm guessing we can just get rid of that using this. So now let's hit erase. Okay. So as you can see, if you want to erase the reflections that are technically on your screen, all you need to do is just disable the magnetic lasso, and then by hand you want to circle your reflections and try to remove it using object eraser and AI, as the erase reflections option is pretty disappointing and not what I thought it was going to be, but hey, it's just my opinion. You can have your own, and you can also share inside the comments what you think about this feature. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.